Vanessa Williams knows what she's talking about. Remember, she lost her American crown when